Hello, it's John, and I'm back again with a video about how to repair the screens from the windows on your house. The screens on my house are in pretty rough shape. Years of wear, as well as several cats living with us, have resulted in holes and other problems with the screens. So, what to do? You could spend hundreds of dollars on new screens, or fix them the way I'm about to show you. Here's what you need: a flathead screwdriver, a spline tool, a utility knife, a rag, replacement spline, and replacement screen. First, I'll use the screwdriver as a wedge to get the screen off the window frame. In some windows you can use the plastic pull tabs, but like I said, my screens are in pretty rough shape and this one needs to be pried out. Once the screen is out of the window frame, my amazing assistant will set it on a flat surface and work the existing spline out of the corner where it begins and ends. Once you have the corner started, you can pull it out of the groove, all the way around the frame until you're back where you started. Next, you can lift the existing screen out of the frame and dispose of it. If the spline is not cracked or otherwise unusable, you can reuse it with your new screen. After cleaning it off and examining it, we've decided that this one can be used again. The corners are not cracked and it still has its original elasticity. This is a great time to clean off the frame using a damp rag. The groove at the bottom of the frame has dust and dirt accumulated in it. You can clean it out by pushing it with the corner of the rag and then blowing it out of the corner of the frame. Now that the frame is all cleaned up, we can roll the new screen out over it. It's a good idea to tape down the corners of the new screen to hold it in place. The spline tool has two rollers. We want to use the concave one that looks like this. Place the spline on one of the corners of the frame over the screen and start rolling it into the groove with the concave end of the spline tool. You have to be careful working the spline into the corners. Once you reach the end, clip any excess spline off with scissors. Now we can trim the leftover screen. Be careful to hold the utility knife parallel to the screen so you don't accidentally cut through the brand new screen you just installed. That's it. Now just reinstall the screen on the window frame and you're done. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. You're also invited to support TSG Multimedia on Patreon. Check out patreon.com/tsgmultimedia to find out more. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.